Have you ever walked into someone's home and seen a snake plant so tall it was almost touching the ceiling? And then looked back at yours sitting in the corner, barely growing an inch in months? You are not alone, and the answer might surprise you. Today, we are going to break down exactly why some snake plants grow huge while others stay small. And most importantly, whether it is the plant or whether it is something you are doing without even realizing it. The very first thing we need to understand is that not all snake plants are built the same. Some varieties are naturally dwarf and compact, and no matter what you do, they will never grow tall. This shocks a lot of people because we always assume snake plants are supposed to be tall and upright. If you have confirmed you have a tall growing variety and it is still not growing, then it is time to look at what might be holding it back. And we have 6 key reasons for you. Snake plants actually like being slightly root-bound, which means they enjoy being a little snug in their pot. But there is a limit to everything. When the roots completely fill the pot and have absolutely nowhere left to expand, the plant stops putting energy into growing new leaves and starts directing everything toward just surviving. Signs to look for are roots circling inside the pot, roots pushing out through the drainage, holes at the bottom, or the plant literally lifting itself upward out of the soil. When you do repot, go only one size up. Snake plants like a gradual increase in pot size, not a sudden jump into a huge container. An oversized pot holds too much moisture, and that creates a different set of problems entirely. Most people focus entirely on watering and forget completely about the soil underneath. Snake plants need a well-draining soil mix that allows air to reach the roots. Over time, soil becomes compacted, depleted, and heavy. When that happens, root health starts declining, and the plant cannot absorb nutrients properly. The result is weak root development, slower leaf production, and leaves that stay much smaller than they should be. If your snake plant has been sitting in the same soil for more than 2 years, the soil is most likely the problem. If there is one single mistake that stops snake plants from reaching their full potential, it is overwatering. Snake plants evolved in dry climates where water is scarce. Their thick leaves are literally designed to store moisture so the plant can survive long dry periods. When we overwater, the soil stays wet for too long. Oxygen cannot reach the roots, and root rot begins to set in. The leaves start yellowing, growth slows down completely, and in bad cases, the plant starts dying from the bottom up. More water does not mean more growth. With snake plants, it is exactly the opposite. Less water, better growth. The simple rule is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. In summer, you might water every 2 weeks. In winter, sometimes once a month is more than enough. Snake plants are famous for surviving in low light, and they absolutely can. But surviving and thriving are 2 very different things. In a dark corner, the plant conserves energy, produces very few new leaves, and growth slows to almost nothing. Move your snake plant to a spot with bright, indirect light, and you will see a noticeable difference within weeks. More light means more energy for the plant to develop stronger roots, push out larger leaves, and grow the way it was always meant to. The sweet spot is near an east or west-facing window where it gets good light without harsh, direct afternoon sun, which can burn the leaves. Snake plants are not heavy feeders, but they do need some nutrition. If your plant has been sitting in the same soil for years without any fertilizer, that soil has long run out of nutrients. And without adequate nutrients, growth becomes very slow and leaves may stay much smaller than expected. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, feed your snake plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. That simple addition can make a significant difference in how fast and how tall your plant grows. So let us bring it all together. If your snake plant is staying small, start by identifying your variety. If it is a naturally dwarf type, embrace it. If it is a tall growing variety, check your pot size. Refresh your soil if it has been more than 2 years. Make sure you are not overwatering, give it brighter indirect light, and feed it during the growing season. Most of the time, it comes down to one or two of these things, and fixing them is genuinely simple. We would love to know which variety of snake plant you have at home. Drop it in the comments below, and we will put together a specific care guide for your exact variety. Every snake plant deserves to grow to its full potential, and with the right conditions, yours absolutely will. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more plant content every week, and we will see you in the next one.